Well, here we are again with another product review. This time, Kleen-Flo Black Base or Dashboard Cleaner. It is going to be in the wild cherry scent. Yes, and look at all those warning signs. Flammable, poisonous, explosive. Well, of course, explosive. It's in a can. But flammable? I might have to try that out later just to see how flammable it is. And believe me, I really don't want to check out the poisonous part of it. But very flammable, it says. Must be the spray in it. This is pretty well a spray on. Let's get in a little closer here. Let's not read that. That is a different language. And let's see here. It says can pretty well spray it on and wipe it off. For uniform coverage, spray black onto a dry cloth and apply lightly to surface. Okay, so there we go. We can apply it to the surface. So let me get ready here and we'll do that. So this is quite a dirty car right now. Oof. Since I did do a lot of work on it, and it got quite dusty in here from doing body work and other things I had to do, welding. So it is quite dirty. Right now I'm going to start on the passenger side, and we are going to see and spray it on. Well, let's see how good that does. Let's start there. Ooh, nice smell. Cherry it is. Oh, ho, ho. Well, it certainly feels nice on the vehicle. Like, it's pretty smooth when you apply it. It kind of applies like paint, I'm guessing. It kind of applies like paint, so, wow. I'm actually shocked. But, yeah, the smell is quite nice. Let me move us back here. There we go. I can show you more. It's kind of interesting. It's not a bad smell. I'll give you that. It's not a bad smell at all. Actually smells quite nice. Not really shocked about this smell. I suppose it was supposed to smell nice in here. Give her a good coat here. Oh, gonna need lots down here. Oh, so dirty everywhere. Oh well. I'll get her cleaned up. Hoping to make this this winter car vehicle. Guess it's, I don't know, you call this a car or vehicle or an SUV? It's not for four-wheel drive. So I don't know what you call it. You don't call it a Jeep, haha. Four-ways work. Sure do like the cherry smell. That is nice. Yeah, this is really wiping up real nice. I didn't think it would this nice. Wow. Yeah, this is coming along. I'll get some down here. Sorry, I meant to aim you down here, but my arm obviously went in a different spot. That's typical of some of my filming. And down here, did it already dry? I'm not sure. Let me just apply some more. Yeah, it looked like it did. Let's get a good amount on there so we can. It's really dirty down here. It's got lots of cubby holes. That's good. I like cubby holes. 2 coffee. Well, I carry drinks. I don't drink coffee anymore. Or ever. I didn't really drink coffee. Didn't like it. A lot of people like coffee. Me, Not my favorite beverage out there, so there we go. And shall we get right here where it's super filthy? There we go. Yeah. It's got a, what do you put in there? What is that? I don't know what that is. Is that where somebody put a cell phone or something to hold your cell phone? Or, I'm not sure what that is. You have to look and read what that warning says there to see what that is. And it's awfully strange to have it there. Well, looks like somebody spilled hot chocolate or something here. Let's see if I can get that off. No, probably not. That's not hot chocolate. It's probably coffee. So far, so good. Looks pretty good so far, doesn't it? Well, let me get this door open and let us do this door while I'm here. Wife's camper she's still working on. And let's see here. Filthy. Wow. Yeah, super filthy. My fault. You gotta leave the doors open sometimes when you do work in a vehicle. So that's what happens. But I'll get her down here. So far, I am impressed with this stuff. It's doing a good job. I like how it sprays on like paint. It's kind of neat. Oh, that's kind of neat. Anywhere where there's a ledge, I made really dirty. Terrible of me. Terrible. How can I say? It's going to be used in the winter. It's going to get dirty again, isn't it? But that's not bad. Let me do the lower here. Oops. Oh, it's starting to rain out again. Great. Always when I come outside to choose to do some work, it chooses to try to wreck it. Oh. Well, I'll go in, do the other side, and then, well, what will we do? We'll take a look at it. Well, what can I say about this product? It does a pretty fantastic job, I must say. Wow. Look at the job it did in here. Everything's shiny and nice. This stuff is pretty amazing. Now, where I bought this was, I'll leave it in the description where I bought it, because now I forgot where I bought it. But yeah, this stuff is a great product. I can see why it is, let's see, Europe's #1 brand. Because it does do a nice job. I was actually kind of shocked. And this thing smells like a cherry. A wild cherry scent. Alright. That should do her for now. Thanks for watching. I enjoyed doing this. And hope you enjoyed it. Catch you later.